You guys already know this video is going to be lit because it is iEman. Welcome to the channel and welcome to the family. So today for you guys, we're in a different scenario, different environment. We're downstairs in my living room because we just had our new sofa delivered, and instead of it being a dark grey sofa like it's right there, that's our old sofa. That's literally, I'm getting rid of that. We've got a nice bright grey, light grey colour. So I thought, you know what, I'll just bring the camera downstairs and try the video down here, because I know because it's a light sofa, a light colour sofa might make the place look more lighter. And if you guys like the video down here, then I'll do some more videos down here, but I just have to make a little bit of arrangements, like put some LEDs on that wall behind me, just spice it up a little bit and make it into a little studio kind of thing. But yeah, we're just testing it. But yeah, anyway, the point of the video today is to try and see if we can bend the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Came out not too long ago, maybe last month, and I thought, you know, I've done an unboxing of it. I've actually versed it with the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, which is my daily driver, and that was a few mixed, conversation I had with this S22 Ultra and me not being really a fan of it. So yeah, I'm gonna take my anger out on it and try and bend it, because yeah, Samsung really, I can't use this phone. It looks nice and all, but it's just not my type of style of phone, to be honest with you. So yeah, we're gonna bend this bad boy and see if it's bend proof, and if you have it in your pocket and you do something stupid, and let's see if it bends. Really, let's just see if it bends. So I'm just gonna start off with just a normal bend, just, as you can see, fresh. I am Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. It works, so you don't think it's fake. Well, you guys don't even think these videos are fake anyway, so you can see the camera module right there. Ooh, that looks sexy. Anyways, right, let's just go. Let's get it. Let's see if we get any pops, if we get any crackles. I'm gonna be watching out for flex as well, to see if obviously the device flexes as well. And because of the way the device is built, I don't actually think there's going to be much flex, because it looks more like a brick and it looks more firmer, to be honest with you. But yeah, anyway, let's get it. So don't lie, it's a little light bend. Start off light, The only thing that does concern me with these devices is the fact that because I've got my thumb on the screen and I'm bending it down, I might get some screen tearing, but literally no screen tearing at the moment at all. So move on to bending it this way. See if we get any bend at all. Just a tiny little bit of flex, but not too much, not major flex at all. Right, let's get into a little bit more of an aggressive bend. Let's see. Let's try this way. Flipping out. I was taking my breath away trying to bend this sucker. I'm sweating. God damn, why am I sweating? Why is this phone so tough? Oh my god. What the hell is Samsung using for the framing of these devices, man? It's so tough. I can't do anything. I can't. Alright, I'm going to put on my weight. Oh my god. Flipping out, look at that. You can see where my knees has actually cleaned the device up. a little patch over there. Right, let me try the back. God damn. God, flipping out. Look at this. Look at my fingerprints. Look at my fingerprints. I'm destroying this device, right? Look at it. Look at all my fingerprints. That's nuts. Oh my days. Oh my god. This is so damn. This is a tough device. Oh, why is it so tough? Oh, I can't get no bend out of this, man. Nothing. It's not giving me anything. Oh, god damn. Oh. Right, I'm gonna try and twist it, see if it actually twists, because I feel like that's gonna be the weakest point, the length of it, trying to twist it. Because right now I'm trying to bend it, and because the frame is because it's strong frame, it's kind of just taking the impact. So I'm gonna try away. I see a bit of a twist, I see a bit of a flex. Yeah, I see some flex there. Alright, let's go full force, let's see. So literally, I'm gonna just try and hopefully rip the flipping phone. Right, let's go. Get my muscles in. You guys know I go to the gym and bruv, so I don't take no for an answer. Oh, god damn. Right, try this way. Oh my god, my shoulders are gone. Woo! Oh my days. Oh my god, it doesn't help I trained shoulders yesterday as well. Oh my days, this one is indestructible, man. Indestructible. All I see is just a load of fingerprints. I don't know if you guys can see that, but all I got is just a whole lot of fingerprints. A lot, look at that. Loads of fingerprints, that's all I see. Same with the front as well. So much flipping fingerprint. And we haven't even checked it if it's still alive. Yeah, looks like it's still alive. Phone literally booting up. Look at that. Nothing. No tears. No nothing. Phone is terrible. It's durable. Oh my god. I think, you know what? It's done me that. That's done me at all. I can't get it to bend. I can't even get it to do anything. Literally, I can't get it to bend at all. I only saw a little bit of flex, obviously turning it this way. That's the only flex I saw on this device. This device has been made tough. Big props to Samsung for really, I've been noticing throughout these years actually, from the Samsung Galaxy S20, I believe it was the S20 or the S21. I think the S20. Actually, no, the S21, I did a bend test on that. And yeah, it holds up really well. The materials they're using is a lot more stronger, and it's a lot more durable, which is just absolutely awesome. So if you own one of these devices, or even planning on getting one of these devices, just be rest assured that there's nothing you can put onto this phone that will make it bend. Nothing at all. If you drop it, that's a completely different situation. As long as you got a case on it, beautiful. Drop my Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra loads of times. Comes out alright because I have a case on it. But yeah, there's no fear of bending this device at all, even when it's in your pocket, because I remember years and years ago, phone manufacturers were using materials to make their phones to make it a little bit more lighter, which meant if you have it in your pocket and you move a certain way, you just get a bend and a crease in it. But yeah, they've come a long way. They're using much more stronger things to materials to make their devices, and yeah, just very strong and durable, and I'm very impressed with this. I mean, I didn't really have doubt that this would bend, to be honest with you, because of the shape it's made, and the the right angle shape on it, yeah, it just looks like something that's going to be very durable. But yeah, anyway guys, that's been me trying to bend the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Yeah, I'm knackered. I'm wiped out. This phone's really taken out of me. But yeah guys, thanks for watching the video. And if you want to see more bend tests, please drop a like down below. Comment down below and tell me if you want to see more bend tests on these devices that I get my hands on. I'll be getting my hands on the Samsung Galaxy S22 and the S22 Plus as well. Unboxing review. This will be again a review as well, because I'm just using it at the moment, just daily driving it for a little bit to see how it goes. And then yeah, be doing a bend test on the S22 and the S22 Plus as well. But yeah, guys, like I said, thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button, turn your post notifications on as well, and also if you like the scenery, the way the setup is, let me know, and yeah, I might do more videos down here. But yeah, guys, without further ado, I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace!